Yumi go lo lesson 4. Lesson number 4. All information I give han lo yumi or no? Question ya now. So emi part lo check him good every information. You think about picture where you stop lo fore lo book lo you where emi tell him where you must stop more think about. After part lo scale him emi lo cut him out every information. But underneath lo hem he got another first section where he tell him check him good all information. Lo part 1 you me learn him lo check him good say he got enough information. More you me check him to say all information is clear good means it's specific or in general to mass. Lo second half lo course yeah you me look lo one another for something where you me must check him. So you me cut him out all information finish, but now you me want to check him good all information he give an lo you me or no. Lo English you me tell him talk relevant. Ale stampa ting blo lesson stampa blo lesson is stop. I could blow you read him lo start blo lesson. Come back lo him lo end blo lesson 2. I tell him you me must check him all information. Blo make sure say every information he give an lo you me blo come lo one last straight ting. Stampa blo lesson stop I all same. You me must check him all information blo make sure say every information he give an lo you me blo come lo one straight lasting thing. Suppose one information he talk about one different something, emi no give an. Might you me need blo ask him question blo cut him some more information where he give han lo you me. So problem where you me face him emi plenty time or man only tell him all information but suppose he got some way no give han he talk about one different something. Now by you me look say you me short lo information now. Okay, he got talk stop, you start read him out or talk way stop. We tell him every information he must give han. Ale read him talk ya he go. After make him one drama. He got one drama lo backside blo book we got all drama blo part 2. Ale story 1 and one where you with him one friend is have make him. Emia where one man and me tell him talk bla him be tell him all about no more we no give him nothing the man we want to find him out one something. So and now I tell him lo bokis ya you me must make sure say all information he give an lo you me lo come lo lasting thing where you me stop ting lo him. So plenty time you me read him information or listen lo one way tell him all information lo you me more lasting thing is stop finish but lo you me accept them lasting thing yeah lo you me believe say yes me true you me must check him all information first time. Suppose he got some information where he talk about one different something. Now emi no sabe give han lo you me blow walk him out lasting thing. So also me tell him finish. You me cross him out information yeah. Now you me short. You me not got enough information. But now you me sabe finish. One him blow make him and yeah you must ask him question. Ask him question blow cut him all information way straight one whereby give han more now by you me got enough information blow come lo one lasting thing where me straight. So we got one example. We try and walk them out say which one information lo one story in no savi give han blow support him lasting thing lost all story anya. First one me about Alan Jimmy. So you look lo one information more thing about one and when man tell him Alan Jimmy and me straight man blow come president blow Vanuatu. The which one lo information he give on blow you me walk him out means say which one he point lo him or he support him ting yeah Ale, I think you follow them all tok way is stop. But you look where information number 3, emi no give on, but you me blow walk out say mania, emi one by suppose one good for the president. So now you me no got enough information, so must ask him question. So go lo one group, blow only think about something more write him some question where by give hand lo you me. So careful with them all question time only tell him out old question, you scale him good. More another one is give hand to blow scale him, blow make sure say one will only ask him answer blow question by giving one information where you really give hand lo yumi blow walk him out say Alan Jimmy and me straight one blow come president blow Vanuatu or no. He got a small cartoon stuff. Suppose you want to read him with him all student. I got another first story, 2 more stories up down, short one no more, where always have a think about which one lol information he give hand, blow walk him out last thing, more which one he no give hand. Ale hemia emi in blow first half plus lesson ya. So really lesson ya and we got 2 half plus him. First one you may make him finish with them all story nothing where you may look la him or check him all information say give on or no. Now you may come to second half plus lesson where you may think about Bible. Below Bible every information every talk he give on lo you me. You no got the all talk way outside. No, God and me want him you me think about every information where he stop. So you me turn him a little bit now, blow think about time where you me teach him talk blow God. From hemi follow him same thinking say sometimes time you me teach him talk blow God, you me tell him out some talk lol man where he no give on lol getter blow cuss him meaning blow passage where you may read him or lo English you may say you may tell him out something where you know relevant you know fit good with them passage where you may stop talk about. So Emi no give on now lol man you may want to think about him now. I got one drama where Emi has story 2 blow drama lo part 2 so lo backside blow book you look lo story 2 more make him drama blow him one Sunday school lesson. Le is I read him or talk way stop time where you may want to teach him talk blow God first time you must walk him out last thing blow one passage or same way you may tell him finish. You may walk him out last thing finish now you may ready blow tell him out. The time you may tell him out talk blow you may blow one sermon or one lesson or one him something any important blow tell him all information where he stop no more. Suppose you may make him all same by give on blow pulum ting blow man blow oli sawi kasim last thing where you may want him only kasim. But suppose you may add them up some other for information where no give on or same way outside lo passage where you may stop reading and me way in no stop lo text. Now ting blow get the by go all about. So you mean no must add them up all information where you know support them last thing where you may want them all man only kasim. And me point blow lesson ya. Blow teach him something ya. You may read him John chapter 6 verse 5 you go kasim 14. You must prepare good first time. Blow teach him lesson ya. Especially half year where you may stop la him now ya. He got one talk where tell him no forget him. Where tell him John and me write him good news blow who ya. Yes, and me write him all story where tell him out good news blow Jesus Christ. And me mean him say time you may read him kind story ya. You me must ask him question say John and me want them teach him you me want him something about Jesus Christ. Okay, so Hemia want something where you may want them everyone eating heavy lo hem. Ale walk lo group blo karamol information blo passage where emi John chapter 6 verse 5 to 14. You give him long time little bit lo one table walk him out all information, cut him out one information, more walk with him information blo try and think about last thinking blo passage here. So all you should survey finish how blo make him from where you may finish him first half blo Trenem Tingting Kos finish. Now ask him one group blo tell him out last thinking blo group write him lo whiteboard more scale him good which one him good, suppose one he good more or one he no cover him up good or yes check him everyone. Only use him every information, only follow him good information where he stop. Yes, kind of same. Okay, so now time where you may want to tell him out last thinking or teach him last thinking lo not from man, you may want to make sure say every talk lo you may is supporting good last thinking where you may walk him out. So you may know talk about same you look lo picture where you stop down. It taboo lo you may talk about bread. O same story tell bread but emi no last thinking blo story. Emi no big flat thinking blo story. Emi one small piece blo story where it come inside blo make him one picture, one story where one where Jesus he make him. So blo talk about bread where me barley bread or one special bread or one no, you may not save make him. Or no, you may not save talk about boy too. From M2, emi no last thinking blo story. You may tell him finish say last thinking blo story. Emi Jesus is show him lo man say hemi no one man nothing. Hemi picking in blo God. But so suppose you may go lo boy now you may let go straight last thinking. Or you may pull thinking blo man I go lo want something where emi no give on lo geta. So I think picture, you talk about picture where you stop mobile kasim, where you may not want to go outside lo lasting thing. You may not want to tell them out all information where you no give hand, where you no support them good, lasting thing where you may walk them out finish. Might you think about some another for example where you had him finish where money take him one passage, after you forget him lasting thing, more you talk about one different something. From where lesson emi one long one little bit, it good blow you go back lo stamp up lo lesson, read him out, more tell him lo get to say, now you me talk about one side blow check him all information where hemi check him say information I give hand lo yumi or no. So you may read him lo story or walk him out, which one he give hand or no give hand. More lo teaching blow you me too, the side blow Bible. It could blow every teaching, every something where you me tell him, lo teaching blow you me. It give an lo man where he stop listen, blow cuss him straight last thing where you me walk him out first time.